Hello viewers, today we will be learning about how to find exact trigonometric values with hand tricks at Smart Study with Shivani. Oh my god, so many angles and so many values. So, do we have to memorize this table and cram these values? No viewers, we have a solution to it. Today we will be learning some tricks and tips to find these exact values using our own hands. Without much ado, let's begin our learning. So, over here you can see that we have wide open our left palm, wherein we have 5 fingers starting with little finger as 0 degree, ring finger as 30 degree, middle finger as 45 degree, index finger as 60 degree and thumb having 90 degree. If you carefully observe, the little finger is a straight line, so it is a 0 degree. But the ring and the little finger is making an angle of 30 degree, you can see with the red lines. Similarly, middle finger and the little finger are making an angle of 45 degree. Index and the little are making 60 degree. Thumb with the little finger is making a 90 degree. So friends, how to use these fingers to find out the trigonometric values? So let's begin. Over here is sine. Sine value is square root of fingers below by 2. But how to know that which finger is to be when used and why not fingers above? So dear viewers, in English we have a word called homophones. Homophones is they are similar sounding words but having different meanings. So over here SIGN, which is a sign which is called a signature, we use signatures below the document with our fingers. So sign, fingers below, signature below with the fingers. So sign equal to square root of fingers below by 2. Sign 0 is, now we will be taking the little finger which is denoting 0 degree. So below the little fingers there are no fingers. So it will be square root of 0 divided by 2, which is 0. Sign of 30 means the ring finger, below the ring finger we have one finger. So it is square root of 1 divided by 2, which is 1 by 2. Sign 45 is below the middle finger we have 2 fingers. So it is square root of 2 by 2, which is 1 by root 2. Sign 60 is below the index finger we have 3 fingers. So it is square root of 3 by 2. For sign 90, that is for thumb, we have 4 fingers below the thumb. So it is square root of 4 by 2, which is 2 by 2, which is equal to 1. Now there is one more rule, that cosec is the reciprocal of the sine. So cosec values are 1 over sine. So we will just get the opposite of what we are getting it right now. Cosec 0 is 1 by 0, which is undefined. Cosec 30 is 1 over sine 30, which is 1 by 2, which is only 2. Cosec 45 is 1 over sine 45, which is 1 divided by root 2 by 2, which is 2 by root 2, which is equal to root 2, and so forth. Now we will study about cos values. Similarly, with the same concept of little finger as 0 degree, ring finger as 30, middle as 45, index is 60, thumb is 90. Over here we will use fingers above by 2. So cos 0 is, how many fingers are there above 0 degree? They are 4. So root 4 by 2 is 1. Cos 30 means above the ring finger we have 3 fingers. So it is root 3 by 2. Cos 45 is above middle finger we have 2 fingers. So it is root 2 by 2, which is 1 over root 2. Cos 60 is, how many fingers are there above index? Only 1. So it is root 1 by 2, which is 1 by 2. And cos 90 is, above the thumb we have 0 fingers. So it is root 0 by 0, is root 0 by 2 is 0. Now sec, for finding out the values of sec is the reciprocal of cos, which is sec is equal to 1 by cos. Now we will go with the tan values. In sine and cos, we just used our front part of the palm, that is little finger at 0 and thumb up, which is positioning at 90 degree. For tan and cot, we have to just flip our palm so that little finger will come on the top and thumb will go at the bottom. But remember, the values assigned or the degrees assigned to those particular fingers will remain the same. So little finger will still have 0 degree, ring finger will have 30, middle finger as 45, index as 60 and thumb as 90. Let's start. For 10, it is square root of fingers above divided by square root of fingers below. So for tan 0, there are no fingers above the little finger, and whereas there are 4 fingers below. So it will be square root of 0 divided by square root of 4, which is 0. For tan 30, it is 1 finger above the ring finger and 3 fingers below the ring finger. So it is square root of 1 divided by square root of 3, which is 1 over root 3. For tan 45, we have 2 fingers above and 2 fingers below. So it is square root of 2 divided by square root of 2 is equal to 1. Tan 60 is, we are having 3 fingers above the index finger. So it is square root of 3 and 1 thumb which is below the index. So it is root 1, which is equal to root 3. And tan 90 is, we have 4 fingers above the thumb and 0 fingers below the thumb. So it is square root of 4 divided by 0. But when the numerator is 0, the answer we get is undefined. And the rule for finding out the cot value is 1 over 10. So 1 over 10 is cot 0 is 1 over tan 0, which is 1 by 0 is undefined. Cot 30 is 1 by tan 30, which is root 3. Cot 45 is 1 over tan 45, which is equal to 1. So dear friends, using our own hands without giving much stress to our brain for memorizing the table, we have got entire these values within few minutes. That's all from my end today at Smart Study with Shivani. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you so much. Have a great day.